Anybody who has used standard NAV permissions knows how frustrating they can be. But nForcement is designed for creating secure user permissions within Dynamics NAV easily and efficiently. Let's start in the nForcement page and go to Access Users. Click in a new line to create a new user. Filter the list of users by any column. In this case, I will filter by name and then select the user I want to create permissions for. Then simply select the user and then use the Groups tab below to select which modules to take away from the user. In our module, the administrator only needs to be concerned with what to take away from the user. This provides more flexibility and means you can even remove whole modules with one click. If you would like more information, then please get in touch. All our contact details are on our website, www.thenavpeople.co.uk.